a few facts and statistics you can use when discussing flood insurance. Flooding is the #1 natural disaster in the United States. 90% of natural disasters declared by the president involve a flooding event. Most homeowners policies do not cover damage from flooding. In a high-risk flood zone, or those beginning with an A or a V, there is a 26% chance of having a flood loss during the 30-year term of a mortgage. 25 to 30% of all flood claims come from the low to moderate risk flood zones, or those in B, C, and X zones. These are the areas where a mortgage lender does not require a property owner to purchase flood insurance. 98% of U.S. counties have been impacted by some flooding event at one time or another. In 2007, all 50 states had at least one flooding event. An average flood claim is $43,000. The average flood insurance premium is $700. 12 inches of flood water in a 2,000 square foot house can cause over $50,000 in damage. In order to be eligible to receive federal disaster assistance, your property must be located in an area that is declared a disaster by the president. Less than 50% of flooding incidences have this designation. Most federal disaster assistance is in the form of a low-interest loan issued through the Small Business Administration that must be paid back, usually over a 30-year term. When purchasing a flood insurance policy, there is usually a 30-day waiting period for the coverage to become effective. Land development and construction, including new buildings and roads, can make an area more vulnerable to flooding because there is less land to absorb the water, and it can change the depth and directional flow of the water. There are many causes of flooding, even in low-risk areas. Some of these include new development, inadequate drainage, abnormal rainfall amounts, blocked drainage, man-made events, releases from dams, levee failures, snowmelt, or wildfires.